Under the southern sky where the palm trees sway, I still hear your laughter carried by the waves. Uana wauilene po malu, thinking about the moments I once had with you. Though the miles between us stretch across the sky, do you still remember me? Pete mana tua pea, my darling. Somewhere across the sea, ulema fai o nagalo our story. When the stars shine on the ocean breeze, do you ever think of what we used to be? Do you still remember me? Or am I just a faded memory? I kept the letters you wrote in the summertime, your soft little words still echo in my mind. Otagile fatupe ao manatua, how I let you go when you needed me the most. Ele faigo fieona avele tiga, but I carry it with me wherever I go. Do you still remember me? Pete mana tua pea, my darling. Somewhere across the sea, well, in my fight, oh, nagalo our story. When the moonlight dances on the reef, do you think of us, or has your heart found peace? Do you still remember me? Or am I just a faded memory? Island wind whispers your name to me, like an old country song in the gentle breeze. Hello uloto olo fatalitali, hoping one day you might come back to me. Do you still remember me? Pete mana tua pea, my darling. Even if our love drifts free, ulo uloto e tu maupea, forever longing. When the sunrise paints the golden sea, I still pray your heart remembers me. Do you still remember me? Do you still remember me? Under the southern sky, in the quiet breeze, I'm still holding on to what we used to be.